Here in the London EC we have the latest from our conference phone liner. On the left we have the Polycom VoxBox. Moving on over into the middle we have the new Polycom Real Presence Trio 8500. And then, as you will all be familiar with, the traditional Polycom Trio 8800. And we also have a Jonathan Clark. Jonathan. So what we're going to try here is something a little bit different. We wanted to try and show you or demonstrate the audio output differences between the three devices. Now, obviously I'm using a smartphone and a microphone to record this. I'm not sure how well it's going to come through, but we're going to give it a go and see what you think. So we're going to start off with the VoxBox.
Here we go. VoxBox connected using Bluetooth. Hear the richness of the sounds and the subwoofer kicking in.
So I'm about, let's say, about a metre away from these devices, recording the audio. Yep.
Let's just pause that.
So that's the VoxBox. So I'm going to stick about the same distance away from all of these devices here. So let's move across to the 8500 now.
Get the richness of the bass without the subwoofer. It's still pretty decent. So now I'm going to move over to the Trio Calibration 8800 unit with a subwoofer.
You can tell it's a lot richer, the audio from that. Great, so there's an example of the audio output from about a metre's distance from the 8800, the 8500 and the Polycom VoxBox. Hopefully you found that useful. For more information visit polycom.com and check out other great videos on this YouTube channel. Many thanks.